this is Contract Hack, here to show you my hack for a quick and easy signature block on a legal document. So go ahead, open up that legal document, put your cursor where you want the signature block. Go up to the top command bar to the Insert tab. Select a table that is 2 by 5. In the top left, type one party's name in all caps. In the top right, type the other party's name in all caps. Then you're going to hit return to add a space. Moving to row 2 on the left, go ahead and type by. Then do the same on the right column. In the third row in the left column, type name and do the same in the right column, third row. In the fourth row, title, and then the fifth row, date. Now, go ahead and make your entity names bold. Hit the icon to select the table. Go up to Borders and hit No Border. Now you have what looks like a regular signature block, but is easy to format. You can copy and paste either both parties, one party. You can add a third signer, fourth signer very easily. To add another signer, just hit return from the last row and add 6 more rows. Type the other party's name. Then go ahead and copy and paste in the by name, title, and date. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more contract tips with Contract Hack. And right now you can get 50% off with promo code FALL50, but only for a limited time. Hack smarter, not harder. See you in the next video, hacks.